Alright, as you guys can see here, my headlamp here got cracked on the highway, so I'm going to replace it. I went ahead and got a new one from You Pull and Pay for, unfortunately, $35. Now with these, I got to take out a bolt that's here, and then on the inside here, these two bolt spaces as well. They're on the inside of the engine block. I'll kind of show you guys. But it'll kind of be a hands-off video. And then when I take the two bolts out, there's another part I kind of got to get into and pop out. Let me show you on the other one. That probably would have been smart. This piece right here, that little ball has to pop out, and it'll clip on in. I also grabbed a light bulb as well, because I believe my light bulb is out. So we'll get this going and see if this one I pulled from the truck at You Pull and Pay still works as well, or if I got to order a new one. I guess I should have said also the only tool you really need for this is a 10mm socket and then enough extensions so that way I can actually reach the bolt that's in there. Alright, there's one down. Of course, it fell on the ground. I'm going to open this up and then I'll show you guys where they are on the inside here. So I'm going to try and angle this the best I can so you guys can see. It is getting a little dark, but unfortunate. It's kind of hard to see it in there. Might try and turn it. Let's see here. Let's see. Trying to get a good angle on this, but since it's covered up, it's not exactly the easiest thing in the world. Yeah, you guys really still can't see it. Probably need to have a flashlight going in there. I'll hook this back up once I got some light shining in there on the new one so you guys can see it. But yeah, just gotta take out those bolts here too. Wow, that one's on there. If you really want to make this fast, just get it started and then take your drill with a socket adapter. That'd be nice and easy. This thing's in there. There we go. Finally getting loose. No, it's not yet. That just popped out. Sweet. One more. caked on there, my God. Yeah, that sounded bad. Oof. Alright, did we get that one enough? Alright, cool. So that one's out. Now the integral part here is popping this off. Now, I'm told you can do this with a screwdriver. I just use a linoleum knife because it's just got a little bit of a wider surface. There we go. Alright, let's see what you guys see. Alright, you just see it popped out. So we've got the headlight and the blinker. They got these little tabs on them. Click up on it because I'm going to have to replace that light. But we're going to go ahead and you turn these counterclockwise to get them out. Alright, so there's the old one. It's out now. Now I gotta see that bulb obviously is pretty messed up. It's broken. So now I gotta get this off of here. I probably should have disconnected the battery, but you know, we'll see. Alright. So I'm gonna take a screwdriver here because this was caked on at the one at the place too, so just gotta kinda work it a little bit. Oh, damn. That is on there. Sweet Lord. Man, it's going just little bit by little bit. There we go. I felt it move that time. There we go. Take out this old one. Sorry. Blocking it a bit, aren't I? Take out this old one. Bulb broke. And I guess we'll see if the bulb for the I got today works. Slip it on there. Clamp it in. Alright. Okay, maybe I'll see if it turns on real quick. Sweet. Awesome. That's what I like to see. Tell you gotta love you pull and pay. I'm telling you. Kind of funny thing too. Not that this is a comparison, because obviously one is broken and the other isn't. Look how much nicer that one looks. I mean, this looks almost brand new. Well, except for the top. The top's a little glazed, but that looks nice. Alrighty. Now to get this bad boy back on, just pretty much reverse what you just did. Find where those go in and turn them clockwise. Come on, baby. Don't be a problem for me right now. Sweet. All right. And we gotta feed that clip in there the right way. Make sure that socket goes in the right spot. Come on. You know, we're struggling a little bit, aren't we? Looks like something broke off in here. Okay. Yeah. Oh, just got to work it apparently a little bit. There pretty good. Okay, there we go. Almost. Come on, baby. Maybe. Okay, I think I got it in the right spot. Now I just gotta get those bolts in. So just reverse what I did already. So switch over the socket. God, I wish I had longer hands. Didn't go in. Son of a gun. Come on. Maybe I gotta get under it so I can actually see what I'm doing. Well, I just loosened it up. Whoops. Let me redo that. Oh, goodness. Yeah, this is the fun part. Okay, there we go. There you go, that feels better. All right. Now let's get that thing in there. Sorry guys, but I might have to cheat. I might have to grab my drill. Otherwise, I'm going to be out for like 20 minutes. Gotta get this done. Okay, so it's under here anyway. Oh, goodness. There we go. Once I get done with this, I'll see if I can show you guys the inside part of the 5 nuts. Obviously, it's nothing too crazy, just where those bolts are. I'm almost kind of embarrassed that I've got that other light all dirty now. Down. 3 to go. All right, let's see if I can't make it a little bit so you guys can kind of see. Shoot, maybe not. All right, give me a sec here. See it so that way you guys can get some light in there. All right, you see that track? There you go at the bottom there. Yeah, that's what we're talking about when I was talking about that bolt. Kind of where my finger's pointing, right there. Hopefully you guys can see that decently, but there's one at the bottom, one up there as well. That's where those last 2 go. So get that on, and then I think we'll be good to go. I'm really glad the other light bulb worked. That's did not want to have to buy one of those if I could help it. This is my favorite part. Extension back. That one's might tighten up that more, but I just want to get on the other one. That's where he's going. It's just the wheel's real loose. There we go. Now we're cooking with gas. Try not to make that horrendous noise. Take a little slow. There we go. Right. Sweet. And just for fun, we've got light. Awesome. And we've got blinker. Terrific. Well, guys, that wasn't too bad. Shooting probably took a little bit longer, but not too hard, not too difficult. A little bit more expensive than I wanted, but I mean, look at that thing compared to the other side. I am pretty embarrassed.